Hi guys, welcome back. I am so excited today. I bought tons of stuff from Walmart, but not the clothing department. Today I'm going to feature all of the beauty products that I just bought and that I pretty much buy on a regular basis from Walmart. So, and before I do that, let me just show you. Check out this bracelet. It was just under $6. It's by Time and True. If you'll remember, I had the white one in the summertime and I just love this new one. So anyway, this is my final makeup look and I really like how everything turned out. This is not a glam look. This is just an everyday look, but there are so many things about this look that I want to show you. One of the things is a mascara that I found on TikTok. It's a TikTok rage. I'm like, yeah, right, it doesn't work, but oh my goodness, what do you think? Now, you know I wear pounds of eyeliner, so it's sometimes hard to see my lashes, but I will show you some video when we get to it that you can see the lashes really well. Okay, I'm gonna start out with exactly how I started my beauty routine. So I showered, I did my hair. I normally don't do it in that order, but I did for the sake of this video. I always start out with, okay, before I'm skipping ahead, I'm getting so excited. You know that I wash my face, and the very first thing I put on my face, you've seen this in all of my makeup tutorials, is the Neutrogena Hydroboost Extra Dry Sensitive Skin No Fragrance Gel Cream. It's loaded in hyaluronic acid and it helps your moisturizer stick to your face. That's why I use it. I can't think off the top of my head, it's close to $20, if not more than $20 for one of these little jars. I lather it on constantly. So you can see it's almost gone, and I probably have had this 3 weeks, maybe a month, not even. So it's kind of expensive. I have a hack for that, and I purchased this at Walmart. Okay, there's someone I follow who is a dermatologist, and she gave us this little tip. This is the Neutrogena Hydroboost, it's new, overnight hydration cream. It doesn't say what it's for, but it's in the section where all the body stuff is. So you assume it's for the body, which, okay, fine. I put it on my body too. But the hack is you can put this on your face. There's nothing in there that's gonna hurt you. There are no perfumes or fragrances or anything like that. Now this one is the overnight one. So if you are like me, I feel like I'm far away. I feel so dry in the wintertime because I do walk outside, and I actually walked outside this morning. It's been great for, Western New York / Buffalo, New York in January, unheard of. But anyway, so between the wind, the cold weather, and of course we all have our heat on, and that forced air is so dry. This has my skin, I'm not kidding you. It feels fantastic. I first used it last night before bed and I was like, you've got to be kidding me. I don't even care if I finish out this jar, okay? So this is under $11. It's like $10.96, $10.97, something like that. I should have brought my receipt in here to give you all the prices. I might after I show you this because you're gonna wanna hear how cheap everything is. Affordable. So get this, it will replace this, lathered on your body, lathered on your face. You will be amazed. This is not all highlight. This is actually hydrated skin from 2 uses, last night and this morning. Okay, so it's the Hydroboost Overnight, and I will link it below. Then, I've been using this, but since it's one from Walmart, I included it in my tutorial. All right, hold on a second. Before I get to this, I'm gonna insert some video, here I go, of me, I almost said installing this on my face. No, putting this on my face. So I'll insert that here. All right, guys, I know you probably were like, okay, great, you put that on, but I put it everywhere. You saw me right down my neck and chest as well. And whatever's left over, rub into your hands. It feels fantastic. Next, I come in with this Cerave Mineral mineral-based sunscreen. It's hydrating. It has a moisturizer in it, as well as zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. You can see me without makeup. You know I have that melasma mustache. I've got sunspots. I'm 49 years old. I look a lot better with makeup on. I always did though, even at 16, I don't know. But, so this has been helping my melasma fade. You can still see it even with makeup. That nice little dark spot, but it's something I have to deal with, but it's pretty camouflaged. I mean, I'm pointing it out. So then I come in with this. So Hydroboost, Cerave, get it. This one is linked below. It's under $12, I think, on Walmart.com. And this is great because it's almost like a primer. It does have that little bit of color. It's got ceramides, niacinamide. It's very moisturizing, hydrating, but it also has, more importantly, broad spectrum SPF 30 in it. And you know how important that is to me. I just hit 10,000. All right, moving my arm up and down. Next, I come in with my, and I don't know if I think I've shown this on tutorials before, but this is one of my favorites. It's 24-hour Maybelline Superstay foundation, full coverage. I love a full coverage because I do have that sun damage on my skin. The color I like to wear in the wintertime is Buff Beige number 130. I just really feel like this is skin perfecting. I really do. I mean, as much as I can perfect my skin. It really does cover very, very well. I have some sunspots here that you can just barely see. Here, here, and here. I have a little trio. You can barely see them. So I'm very happy with it. I think I've mentioned this in my last video maybe, but I had to get an updated color. This color matches me for winter much better. But thing I like about this too is if you've heard of Estee Lauder Doublewear, it's pretty expensive, and my opinion, because I've used both, in fact I used Doublewear for years, is that this is a dupe for Estee Lauder Doublewear. And I used to wear the color Wheat, and this color is actually better than that, because the drawback with the Estee Lauder Doublewear, and you can watch any video or read any review on it, is they have limited colors. This color matches me much, much better. All right, and then I also tried L'Oreal True Match Eye Cream and Concealer, or Eye Cream in a Concealer. This is great. If you use it yourself, you'll realize that it's very, very moisturizing. When I really want a hydrating one, prior to finding this, I was using the Garnier Rollerball. I'm still not gonna say anything bad about this. This is the anti-dark circle eye roller. I find that it's getting harder and harder to find. So, using this, I found it to be very hydrating. And as far as, I've had it on for about a half an hour. I don't see that it's sinking in to my wrinkles. You know, that eye area can be so, so delicate. It does a good job at camouflaging any dark circles. And the great thing is that it has that hyaluronic acid in it and no fragrance. I don't like to put fragrance on my face. So that was awesome. By the way, the Cerave never has fragrance in it. This, I don't notice a fragrance in it, but it doesn't say whether or not it has one or not. But L'Oreal True Match Eye Cream in a Concealer. Fantastic. I like my concealer to be a little lighter. So for this one, I purchased the light W3-4. That was the color I used. Okay, and what else did I want to show you? Before we get to the mascara, because that's going to be last. Oh, I bought a new eyeliner. If you remember one of my videos way back, I pulled out an old eyeliner. It was the Maybelline Stiletto, and it was dry. I should have thrown it out months ago, but I didn't, so I tossed it. But anyway, I got another one. This is Maybelline Stiletto in Black is Black, and I've already opened it, but I just wanted you to see the packaging. It will be linked below so you know what you're looking for if you go in store. By the way, all of this was purchased in store. And this is it. It is a felt tip liquid liner. And to me, I used to use the Lancôme Artliner in Noir, I believe was the name of the color. Might have been something else, but anyway, it was black. I would say this is a dupe for it. Now, it's not exactly like it, but I will admit, with all of the felt tip liquid black eyeliners that I've received through Ipsy, and I have a drawer full, this one is my favorite and the closest to the Lancôme Artliner. So that, for me, is a dupe for that. And I'm wearing it right now. My eyes look uneven to me as far as the eyeliner. I swear I'm out of practice from having, guess what? A sty in this eye all week. I don't know. I think somehow, some way, I Googled it, of course, and it said that it's like little bacteria maybe got into the eye, and it's quite common, and kind of like plugged up one of the little oil glands on my eyelid, and it flared up. But my mom gave me a tip. My mom is a nurse, and she said a warm compress. So I did a warm washcloth on it, and it took me 2 days to listen to her, but I finally did it, and it like instantly went away. So if you ever get a sty in your eye, warm compress. Thanks, Mom. Okay, so what else did I get from Walmart? Oh, so let's get to the mascara. So then I went in, and TikTok has this everywhere. Now, I don't believe everything I hear on TikTok, so I'm like, yeah, whatever, I'll get to it. But I did, and look at those lashes. Now, you know I wear a lot of eyeliner, so sometimes you can't even see my eyelashes. But in this clip, you will. Well, actually, no, I'm not going to insert the clip yet. First, I'm going to talk about it. So it is the Maybelline Sky High Mascara in blackest black. Nope, very black. Maybelline Sky High Mascara in very black. I found it to be amazing. I mean, oh my goodness. You can check my Instagram, Life and Style by Liz. And there is a picture where I'm not wearing any eyeliner at all. And I'm looking up, and you could really see how long my lashes look. But again, you know, I'm the eyeliner queen over here, so it's sometimes hard to see my lashes. Okay, so that's it, I believe. Oh no, that's not it. I did buy one other thing, and I really can't give you a review yet, but so far I like the look of it. I sprayed on some matte finish. So this is the NYX Cosmetics Matte Finish Setting Spray. So I will link this below as well. And then next time I do a makeup video, I'll let you know how it worked. But I did find that it finished off my look pretty well. So this is supposed to be matte, but let me tell you something. Do you see my skin? I mean, this is not just highlight, that is hydrated skin. And that to me is so impressive, especially in January. I'm telling you, my skin has been feeling so dehydrated. And right now, even with this full coverage, because full coverage tends to dry you out, I feel entirely hydrated and what's the word? Not luminous, but dewy. I feel dewy. And my skin just feels great. Oh, I'm telling you, this right here, combined with this or any moisturizing sunscreen, you know, I always stick to mineral because that gives you the most coverage from the sun, and it also helps melasma. So my melasma girls who are still watching me from my video way back, always make sure you use a mineral that has zinc oxide in it, because that actually helps your skin not produce melanites or something like that. That brings out that color. All right, let's switch to hair. I'm done with my face. By the way, I mentioned that I was gonna do, before I switch to hair, that I was going to do a video about a new mascara that I bought. Well, it was a flop for me. It was the L'Oreal Telescopic. I used it for like a week. I kept trying, not impressed at all. Do not waste your money on this. Switch over to Maybelline and get the Sky High. And this was like $11 at Walmart. They had it in stock. I have heard that it's hard to find though. Check the link below. Hopefully they have it in stock for you. All right, switching to hair. So one thing I want to give you a tip on, because I have tons and tons of very thick, coarse, frizzy, doesn't look it, hair normally, okay? Next time I don't do anything to it, I'll take a picture so you can see just how frizzy it is. I used to let's go way back. I used to buy L'Oreal professional products, and I'd buy the hair mask, and I found that it was the only thing that worked. It was like $50 at the salon, okay? And this was like 10, 15 years ago. Then I went to Pantene, which is not good for your hair. Sometimes it can smooth it out, though, I'm not gonna lie. It coats it in silicone, basically, and so your hair feels fantastic. But better than that, yes, Suave. I think this is $4. It's 15 ounces, it's pretty big. It's the Moroccan. You can use any of the Moroccan infusions. This is Suave Professionals Moroccan Infusion. This one is for shine. It's what I used today. I have the shampoo as well in there. I love it. I absolutely love it. And the smell is so fantastic. It doesn't have like a cheap, fruit or flowery smell. It smells almost like a perfume that you'd want to wear. So Suave Professionals, under $5. I absolutely love it. Then I tried something new today. This is the Garnier Fructis PurClean Detangler and Air Dry. It's supposed to be for when you want to air dry your hair. I actually bought it for my daughter, both my daughters, because they don't blow dry their hair, only on very special occasions. They shower at night and go to bed. But this is supposed to air dry without tangles or frizz. So then I thought, well, I don't want tangles and frizz even though I'm blow drying. So I squirted this all over my hair, brushed it through. I thought it was great. My hair feels super silky and soft. I did not use anything else before I dried it, but this. Now I know it doesn't have a heat protectant, but I think you can buy a separate heat protectant as well. And I feel like it worked. My hair looks great. I love it. It's piecey, it's shiny, it's not frizzy. Of course I styled it, but that doesn't always mean that there is no frizz. And then last but not least, you've seen me use this before. Also Garnier Fructis, this is the Shine Glossing Spray. I do not spray this directly on my hair. It's got some oils in it. It's actually got, I think it's apricot kernel oil or something like that in there. Oh, no, argan oil. It's got argan oil in it. So I spray it 3 to 4 times on my hand, rub it in my hand, and then I drag it through my hair to get the frizzies out. And someone recently requested a hair tutorial, and I'm looking for a curling iron. When I get a new curling iron, I will do a hair tutorial, and I'll use these products just to show you. Of course, I'll be using this. This is going right in my shower when this video is done. Okay, guys, is there anything else I need to show you? I don't think so. Oh, I did restock my e.l.f. brow pencils. These are $2 at Walmart. I'll link it below as well. I've talked about these a million times. I use the color Deep Brown, so I'll link them as well. That's it. But what I wanted to show you was something so cute. You know how when I'm at my vanity, I'm like, shoot, I should have put Q-tips here. Well, look at these cute little boxes. Think happy thoughts. And it's perfect. And I'm gonna keep these right here in my drawer next to, I won't get it out. I just had to show you. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a Walmart beauty haul, and I'm pleased with everything I purchased. All the links will be down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Click the subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications so you could be notified each and every time I upload a video. I thank you for spending time with me, and I talk to you soon. Bye, everyone.